shimmy yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Thehappinessmonger, and now I am at Phoenix Market City again. You will be thinking, what Phoenix Market City में क्या हमेशा क्यों भाई? क्योंकि ये मेरा सेकंड घर है, समझ लो. तो अभी मैं रिलायंस डिजिटल के पास हूँ, सामने हूँ, और उधर से मैं अभी कैमरा बाय करने वाली हूँ. एंड shopping and I'll go home. Of course, I'll open it and show it to you. And now we're gonna eat something because अभी बहुत टाइम हो गया, मतलब अभी 11 नहीं 10:30 बज गए. तो चलो कुछ खाने जाते हैं. Ordered chicken Szechuan momo from my favorite Wow Momo, and we thought to order sizzler momo, but अभी 11 बज चुके हैं तो उसके सारे किचन बंद है एक्चुअली, एंड वो तैयार था इसलिए हम लोगों को दे रहा है. बाकी तो सारे बंद हो चुके हैं ऑलमोस्ट, सो no option but to have Szechuan. But Szechuan momo is amazing. If you haven't tried it, you should try it. Of course, you can also check in my Instagram account to know more about the Szechuan momo. So that's it. We're gonna have our food and then we'll go home. और घर में अच्छा खाना बनाया आज मम्मी ने, कुछ फ्राइड राइस बनाया और पनीर चिली पनीर बनाया. तो हाँ, खाएंगे. Back home, and now let's unbox the camera. So this is the bag and let's unbox it. This is the camera bag और ये ओपन करते हैं and इसको आप ऐसे करके ओपन कर सकते हो. Wait. So this is where you will place your camera and your charger and everything. So yeah, this is the camera box. Let me keep this aside. Which says Canon EOS 200D, and there are specifications, the price and everything. मुझे कैमरे के बारे में इतना कुछ नहीं पता, तो I can't give you the specification and other important things that you require to know about the camera. So yeah, and these are all the warranty cards and everything. और अभी असली चीज आते हैं. I guess this is the camera. Open it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Nice, it's in a matte black and it's gorgeous. This is the screen. You can flip the screen and do whatever you want. Yeah, like that. Cool. And there are all other buttons that you require to operate the camera, and you can open this as well. Oops. Yeah, I did it. तो यहाँ पे मेमोरी कार्ड है. अभी ये मेमोरी कार्ड इधर कैमरा में है तो इसलिए अभी दिखा नहीं सकती हूँ. This is the battery, and बैटरी बहुत ही कूल है दिखने में. मस्त बैटरी. And this is the charger. This is a wire with which you will connect the charger. Let me open this as well. कैमरे के साथ 2 लेंस आते हैं. एक है, let me open it first. This is the small lens which is 18 by 55 mm. Along with this you will get a big lens. Nice packaging overall. This is a big lens which says 55 to 250 mm. So yeah. So this is the camera build, and I would fix it to the camera strap because even though the camera is a bit lightweight, but still I would prefer carrying it around my neck. Yeah. I guess I'm done with the unboxing of the camera, and I hope you enjoyed it. I don't think so I justified the video because I could have given you more information about the camera, but भाई मेरे को खुद ही नहीं मालूम कैमरे के बारे में आपको क्या बताऊं. You need to check out different channels in order to know more about the items. So that's it for my video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. और बस और enjoy करने से एक like button भी दबा दो और subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and also comment down like how did you enjoy the video and any other improvements I need to make. Please make sure you comment down, and that's it. So yeah, bye.